whoa. What am I seeing here? Orange EV. Pure electric. You're not telling me that this is an all-electric spot truck, are you? Bro, what am I actually looking at? Bro, this is legit electronic vehicle. There's no engine. What? How is this even? Like, I don't even see a transmission. There's no transmission. Bro, this is crazy. Here's a charging port. What? I'm gonna start this thing up. How? Is it on? Bro. I don't even know. Safe emergency use only. Do not turn off truck or during charging. HIV off. I'm about to break this thing. This is crazy. I don't even know how to start this thing. Operating instructions. Do not operate vehicle without viewing the operation manual. Never park vehicle without parking brake applied. To start the truck, verify the emergency stop button is not engaged. Turn the key switch to the on position. The power on process will take about 3 seconds. Disengage the parking brakes. Press the FNR switch to the forward or reverse position. Look in the direction you wish to travel and gently press the accelerator pedal.